ngayon dyan mga kaakibat. And for the first time ever dito sa Robert Peter Vlogs, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tag-Puan Cafe dito sa Puan, Davao City. And ngayon, this is the first time ever dito sa Robert Peter Vlogs. Mapupunta na natin. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa restaurant ni DJ Kokoy Martin. Si DJ Kokoy Martin, ito siya. Okay, siya. Ay,
Ini.
yes! Okay kayo.
Okay kayo, lami kayo.
Thank you, sir. Okay, siya yung mismong may-ari ng Tag-Puan Cafe dito sa Puan, Davao City. And, wow. Tingnan natin yung environment. Look, garden right here. Tingnan mo, punuan ng mga tao dito. Wow, super amazing. Meron silang alfresco sa labas. Kaso, maulan. Pero imumontage natin yan mamaya, okay? So, tara mga kaakibat, okay? Mag-order na tayo, okay? So, set up lang natin to and let's go.
Meanwhile,
okay mga kaakibat, for now, let's try their menu for today. They have a huge amount of menu here. Pero ito lang ino-order ko. I ordered a garlic chicken which is 1/2. Then, nakapag-order ako ng garlic rice. And sa ating milk tea menu, ito yung pinili ko. Red velvet. At saka pinili ko 16 ounce lang. Yun yung gusto kong i-try. So sige, hintayin lang natin. Okay mga kaakibat, nakapag-order na ako. And hintayin na natin yung food. Okay? But before that, gusto ko na sanang sabihin sa inyo. Napakaganda ng lugar na to. Tag-Puan Cafe is small but definitely malawak siya all over. Kasi may table sila doon for alfresco dining. And ngayon wala lang ulan ngayon, so magmamontage na tayo later, okay?
montage.
Alright mga kaakibat, ito na ang in-order natin. Hintayin pa natin yung milk tea, okay? So ito muna. That's their garlic chicken, which is the half garlic chicken na in-order natin. Looks so good. Tingnan mo. Look at the color of the chicken. I believe it's perfectly cooked. Meron din silang sausawan, no? And since gutom na ako, ito yung garlic rice na in-order ko. Dalawa ko na para at least busog na busog tayo. Alright, so mga kaakibat, let's dig in. Alright mga kaakibat, let's dig in. Okay, they have a beautiful piece of one garlic rice. Meron pa tayong isa dito. Let's enjoy. Wow! Look at the color of the chicken nila. It's so beautiful. Look, let's dig in. Para po sa inyo ito mga kaakibat. So flavorful, freshly cooked. Hindi overpower yung garlic, but I love it. Okay, so garlic rice para to sa inyo to mga kaakibat. Let's take this one piece of chicken. They have their soy sauce right here, so i-dip natin ito. Their sauce is good. Ito yung Tag-Puan red velvet milk tea na in-order ko. Tingnan mo, si DJ Kokoy Martin, no? Tingnan mo. He's so handsome. Cheers. Wow. I love this blend. Malalasahan mo yung tsan niya. Then yung red velvet flavor ito. Naku, I love it so much. Kudos to you, Puan Cafe. I love you. Another one. So soft. Let's try the skin, mga kaakibat. Another one. We're almost done with our first half ating meal, and we already ate maybe 3 pieces of chicken. Thank you. So ngayon try this, another one. Tingnan mo. Oh, so good, so yummy. Mga kaakibat, nag-start pala sila dito. It was established September 8, 2021. It has been 1 month and 2 days. And kita mo naman, they're really successful. First month, successful. How much pa kaya kung 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or maybe decades. So, I wish Tag-Puan the best just because wapo na yung owner, talented na, masarap pa yung mga food, maganda na yung ambience. Okey Keeyoh! Let's continue. Ubusin na natin to at let's enjoy the moment dito sa Tag-Puan Cafe. Look how perfectly cooked this piece of chicken is. So, tara, so juicy. Yan naman, no? So juicy, so crispy on the outside. One last piece of chicken. Let's finish this and let's dig in. One last big bite sa inyo, mga kaakibat. Cheers! Mga kaakibat, we're done! Yay! Okey Keeyoh! Thank you! Thank you so much! Wow! This was si DJ Kokoy Martin na nagkano sa atin. Tingnan mo, we have 3 different cupcakes. Tingnan mo! Try natin. Mga kaakibat, let's try this, okay? It's a kind of like a puto, pero tingnan natin, okay? It's ube. Let's try this. Super yummy. Tingnan mo, fluffy on the inside. Tingnan mo siya. Tamang-tama yung tamis. Let's get it on. Next puto. Look at that. It has a big cheese on it. Okay. Look at that. Let's try this. They cook the freshest puto I've ever had. Tingnan mo, the fluffiness are so good. Okey Keeyoh. And one final dessert nila. Meron itong mga choco chip tsaka yung nuts nila. So, una natin kain, okay? Wow! Look at that. Let's try this. Ito yung gusto kong texture. Soft in the inside, medyo crispy yung sa outside. Nag-mix yung bitterness tsaka yung sweetness nitong itong dessert na to. So it's really good. Let's finish this. One final bite. God bless Tag-Puan Cafe. They're really amazing, super friendly, amazing. Yes. At ngayon tapos na akong kumain ngayon. Binigyan tayo ni DJ Kokoy Martin ng dessert, 3. And I really appreciate the way actually I don't know what to say. They're really friendly. And their milkshake. Ang mga meals nila hindi sila tinipid. Rice pa lang, it's perfect for one person. Dinalawa ko na kasi gutom na ako. Their milk tea is super delicious. This is the milk tea that I've always wanted. Kahit anumang mga milk tea flavors, pinili ko lang tong red velvet is because yun yung gusto kong flavor. And again, sa Tag-Puan Cafe located at Puan, Davao City. Kung nasa kanto Puan lang kayo, which is yung may health center doon, straight lang. All you need to do is to straight. Makikita mo yung landmark doon, which is yung Camellia Toscana. Straight ka lang. Then makikita mo yung mga hanging lights doon sa labas. Yan yung alfresco dining nila doon. Kung gusto nyo puntahan ang Tag-Puan Cafe, puntahan nyo lang yung kanilang FB page. Mag-like kayo doon, mag-follow kayo para updated kayo sa kanilang mga happenings. Ganon. At of course kay DJ Kokoy Martin, mag-like kayo sa kanya. He is really one of the most popular DJs in Davao City and the whole Philippines now.
Hello, boy.
Sir. Sir, I would like to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Mga kaakibat, this is DJ Kokoy Martin. He's one of the most famous DJs dito sa sa Davao City.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat kay sir sa mga accommodation, sir. At hopefully, yun yung business, sir, magdugay mga decades.
Thank you, guys. God bless tayo.
Okay.
Salamat na na-enjoy ni mo mong stay.
Grabe.
Mapagkakon.
Gusto pa na mo balik, punta.
Sige po.
Balik.
Yes, salamat kayo guys ha.
Sige.
Ay, i-subscribe ninyo mga Koys ha. Ang Facebook ug ang YouTube channel ni Koys Robert.
Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Salamat.
So again, mga kaakibat, I would like to see you next time in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.